I think I wanted to record for this girl. I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay. So we found out for fourth sum or fifth sum. Fifth sum you found out. Now let us do sixth sum. Sixth sum is the last sum. Okay. Then exercise 8.4 you must do and count. Okay. I'll do 2 or 3 sums and you must do the remaining sums. Find the mode of the following distribution. Or you do this as a homework. Sum number 6. What you have to do, you have to be careful. What is the problem here? See,
to be like
25 to 34. This gap is there. So you should make it 24.5 to 34.5. Then 34.5 to 44.5. Like that you make and put the frequencies and apply the formula. Okay.
Okay, uncle.
Exclusive form, highest frequency, then you have to find 54.5 and L plus all of that. Okay. Let us go to exercise 8.4 now. This is homework. So exercise 8.36 is homework. Okay. We should do now exercise 8.4. 10 sums are there. Let us do 5. You do remaining 5. Multiple choice questions. Let M be the midpoint and B be the upper limit of a class. Wait, we will have to do this at the sum only. Okay. LCL, UCL. Okay, this is only midpoint. Now what is given? Midpoint is M is given. B is the upper limit is given. And lower limit is not given. So lower limit is equal to L plus B is equal to 2M. Take this M to the side. Okay. L is equal to 2M. Take this the other side, minus B. So which answer is correct? First one is correct. Okay, first one is correct. Let us do the second one. The mean of a set of 7 numbers is 81. Numbers, n is 7. Mean is 81. Okay. Now, what will be the total sigma x? Will be 81 into 7. 1 7s are 7, 567. Sigma x is equal to 567. Okay, mean is equal to sigma x by n. That's the mean. If one of the numbers is discarded, mean of 7s are 81. So 81 is equal to 567 divided by n. 7. Okay. Now, next one of the numbers is discarded, then n is equal to 6. The mean of the remaining numbers, okay, this is x bar x1. X bar 2 is equal to 78. Okay. That means sigma x is now how much? 78 into 6. 48. 22 plus 4 is 40, 466. 468. Okay, 468. First sigma x was this one, sigma x 2, sigma x 1. Okay, the value of the discarded number is the difference between these two, 567 minus 468. 17, this will become 5, become 4, borrow 1 here. 15 minus 6 is 9. 17 minus 8 is also 9. Okay, 99. So the value of discarded number
is 99.
99. This is 3. Choice number 3. Okay. So let me put this both of these things in your WhatsApp. Let us do, you do 3 and 4. Let us do fifth sum. Let us do fifth sum. Okay. 3 and 4 homework.
Okay, uncle.
3 and 4 homework. Fifth sum. The algebraic sum of the deviations of a set of n values. Okay, x1 minus x bar plus x2 minus x bar plus x3 minus x bar. All that. Okay. Is equal to how much? We remember 3, 4, 5 is there. This is the mean. F4 is the mean. X bar is 4. 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. 5 minus 4 equal to 1. So sigma x is equal to plus 1 minus 1, 0. So it is always 0. Remember. So what is the answer for this fifth sum? Fifth sum is always A.
Option 1, uncle.
Algebraic sum of the deviations of set of n values from their mean is 0. Okay. Sixth sum. Sixth sum maybe you can do. Let us do seventh sum then. Sixth sum homework. Let us do seventh sum. Mean of 5 observations. X plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8. Okay. Divided by how much? 5 is equal to x bar equal to 11. Okay, it's given. Mean is 11. Okay. X plus x plus x plus x plus x. How many x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x. So 5x plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. How much? 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. Correct. Okay, 5x plus 20 is equal to 55 then. That means 5x is equal to 55 minus 20. Take this 20 this side. Okay, that is equal to 35. 5x equal to 35. That means x is equal to 35 by 5 is equal to 7. That is equal to x. X equal to 7. The mean of the first 3 observation you have to find now. So what is the first 3 observation? This is 7. This is 7 plus 2. This is 7 plus 4. 7 plus 9 plus 11 by 3. Okay, correct. So that is
Yes, uncle.
how much? 11 plus 9, 20. 20 plus 7, 27. 27 by 3. That is equal to 9. X
9,
bar 2
uncle.
is equal to 9. This is
Option
the
1.
mean. Mean of first 3. Which is the option? Option 1. Option 1. Okay. So 5 and 7 we did. 6 you can do. Eight also you can do. I'll do 9, you do 10.
Okay, uncle.
Okay, I do 9, you do 10. Eight and 10 also homework. 6, 8, 10. 4, 6, 8, 10. All the even numbers. No. 3, 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8, 10 is homework and 3 also. Now, example 8. Exercise 8.4. I'm going to do 9 sum. Okay. First, the square of the first 11 natural numbers. Mean first 11 natural numbers. Square of the first 11 natural numbers would be mean. Okay, n is equal to 11. Okay, this is equal to how much? How much? 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2,
4.
3 into 3,
9.
4 into 4,
16.
5 into 5,
25.
6 into 6,
36.
7 into 7,
49.
8 into 8 is 64, 9 into 9, 81, 100, 121. Okay, divided by 11. So what you have to do? 121, 100, 81, 64, 49, 36, 25, 16, 09, 04, 01. Sum up all of this. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. Plus 5, 25. Plus 6, 31. Plus 9, 40. Plus 4, 44. Plus 1, 45. 45, 46. Okay, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 24. 27, 28, 29, 30. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. I think you are getting the sum correctly. 9 sum, you are getting it correctly. So this is equal to 506 by 11. 11 will go in 506. Sorry, let us do it like this. 44, it will go 4 times. In 66, 11 will go 6 times. So this is equal to 46 answer. So which answer is coming correct? 2. 2 is correct. Okay. So this also I will be posting. Okay, with that we can finish today a little bit early, no problem. No, you came a little bit early. We started early. So 10 sum you can do. Okay. What I will do, I just put third sum. Okay. Exercise 8.4. You have to do 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right. I have posted. Okay.
All right, uncle.
Okay, we will meet again on Monday then by 5:30 on Monday. All right.
All right, uncle. See you, uncle. Bye.